Boys and girls, do you see the capital and lowercase letter A in red? The word animal begins with the short A vowel sound. Listen to me and then repeat with me. Animal. Animal. Say it with me. Animal. Animal. Good. Boys and girls, these are animal riders. You have probably ridden on one of these or have seen them at the mall. Look at the letter B in red. The word is blue. Blue. Say it with me. Blue. Blue. Great! Look at the pretty blue heart. The letter is C. The word is cake. Cake. Say it with me, boys and girls. Cake. Cake. Boys and girls, these are different kinds of cakes. I love this alphabet cake the best. The letter is D. The word is drawing. Drawing. Say it. Drawing. Drawing. Here is a drawing by a 6-year-old girl. The letter is E. The word is emoji. Emoji begins with the long E vowel sound. Emoji. Say it with me. Emoji. Emoji. Good job, boys and girls. Emoji. The letter is F. The word is family. Family. Say it with me. Family. 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 Good job. The letter is H. The words are hula hoop. Hula hoop. This boy knows how to use a hula hoop. The letter is I. The word is insect. The word insect begins with the short I vowel sound. Insect. Say it with me. Insect. 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 The letter is J. The words are jungle gym. Jungle gym. Say it with me. Jungle gym. Jungle gym. Boys and girls, most parks have a jungle gym that you can play on. The letter is K. The word is kale. Kale. Say it with me. Kale. Kale. Boys and girls, you need to eat a green vegetable every day. Kale is a superfood and it keeps you healthy. The letter is L. The word is love. Love. Say it with me, boys and girls. Love. All, love. Love is my favorite word, boys and girls. Love. The letter is M. The word is M&Ms. M and M's. Say it with me. M and M's. M and M's. Look at all the M&Ms. Great job, boys and girls.